half-broken beat. Thought I was drowning, but I learned to swim. Every storm I weathered lit a fire within. Umbrellas fold, I walk right through. What tried to flood me carried me to Rainlight, shining through the gray, turning every tear into something I can say. Rainlight falling on my face, I found myself inside this place. Windows fall